Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this sword effect in UE5 Niagara. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share. So I have downloaded this animation from Mixamo and let's import that. So I have this animation now and I will create a new level and save this to the same folder. Okay, yeah. And in this map, I will create a sequencer. You can drag it also and autoplay and open this sequencer and drag your animation in it, and then you can choose